I give you some perspective. All right, we'll show you the national map. These were high temperatures from today. We're sitting in the top left at 47. That was our high today, and you can see we were warmer than, like Amanda said, 2/3 of the country felt a very cold, bitterly Arctic air come down and really created daytime highs in some cases that couldn't even get above freezing. In fact, we were warmer than places like Memphis and Atlanta. This cold snap went all the way down into North Florida, believe it or not. I know it's nowhere near like 60 in Detroit, but when you're in Florida, you think of t-shirts and shorts and oranges and all that jazz. But North Florida definitely felt the bite as well. So they have a new system coming in, okay? You've got this system in the Rockies that'll be slowly traversing its way eastward, creating more snow. In fact, I think we could actually see snow all the way in the deep south. Parts of central Texas could experience that once that storm heads east. For us, we're waiting for another rainmaker knocking on our doorstep right now, and it's going to bring a lot of rain showers for us as we go into tomorrow. This is just some prefrontal activity that's moving in. No real rain coming out of that. See, not rain. And then the real rain is still offshore. So that will push through tonight. Tomorrow's forecast in the metro area is looking like we're going to see those temperatures stay in the mid to upper 40s, so not getting too warm. In fact, this is very seasonal, and we're going to have those showers kick into high gear between 6 and 8 a.m., so just in time for some of you for that morning rush. Now, if we take a look at this swath of energy that pushes through, remember I said not rain and rain, it's showing us that little band of not rain is rain. So basically all you need to know is the rain will start between 6 and 8 a.m. tomorrow, okay? It'll get reinforced. We got a warm front, and then right behind it, we have a cold front that's going to push through. So all day tomorrow, we're pretty much going to be wet. We might get a brief dry gap in the late afternoon and early evening, and then the late evening is when that front will push through. We'll feel cool behind that. We've got some fog that could build in going from Wednesday all the way through the end of the week, and then we'll see some sunshine because high pressure building in, and we're going to dry things out. Another look at a rain gauge just to show you timing on this whole thing. This is 7 o'clock in the morning, and notice how we're not seeing any rain in the rain gauges, right? So that's why I'm thinking the rain should start to kick it into high gear between 6 to 8 o'clock, depending on where you're watching. And then, of course, throughout the day, of course, that rain will continue to add to the rain gauges. And as promised, after this system, the rest of the week is pretty much DRY. So 48 tomorrow, 51 Wednesday, and look at Thursday on. We've got a mix of clouds and sun, temperatures right on the border of 50 degrees, and that stretches all the way into next week.